from 2007. This is a gold label release, a collector doll designed by Bill Greening, and she's gorgeous. She's been in that box for way too long, and I'm gonna let her out today and we'll take a look. So this box is a little hard to get into. I'll be back in a minute and we'll show you the doll. Ta-da! So here she is, looking gorgeous. Here's the certificate of authenticity. So we'll keep that aside somewhere. Put it in the pile. She's got a gorgeous vest with printed silver stitching and a chain. She's got a little velvet pocket detail with a button. A little bow that goes around her neck. Look at those gorgeous smoky eyes. The earrings are diamond-like and kind of dangly. The hat has a diamond buckle on it and is sort of a velvety feel. And then she's got the finger gloves in this kind of translucenty nylon tricot fabric. Well, let's get her out of the box. Take a closer look. These boxes are horrible to try to get into. Let me just do this off camera so you don't have to see this. The chair is very cute. I'm going to use that again, I'm sure. Just a nice, simple black chair made of plastic. And here she is. She's very happy to be out of that box and out of that position after 19 long years. So if we have a look underneath here, she's got what's called the pivotal body, and that includes 12 points of articulation. She's able to twist quite a bit there. Her legs twist. The joints don't look very obvious. It's very cute, actually. She doesn't have a articulation at the ankle, which is fine. She stands better that way. She's got some nice movement of her arms and her head. Here her shorts are kind of almost like a stripy fabric with a little bit of shimmer in it. The back of the vest is a little misaligned, unfortunately, but the buckle is really cute on there. She's got some stitching down the fishnets, and the fishnets go all the way up. Take a look here. So they've given her a protective piece of plastic around the waist that I'm going to get rid of here. And they've given her some really cute red nail polish as well. Look at those really cute shoes. Those are adorable little high heel pointy toe Mary Janes. I love those. I would totally wear those. The fabric of the vest is just printed, but it looks quite good. It looks quite real. I believe this is the Lara face. Tell me if I'm wrong in the comments. And here she is.